Have you ever wondered now for the website you use every day on the internet? Facebook, Google, YouTube are created. And do you also want to learn how to make your own website? When today's course is just for you. Many people think that HTML is limited to just tag and elements, but that's absolutely not true. In this course, we'll cover things about HTML that you many have never heard of before. That is not an ordinary HTML course. In this course, we will not only cover the basics but also advanced topics such as web accessibility, HTML5 APIs, SEO optimization, real-world projects, and much more. This course is perfect for beginners who are much starting out, intermediate developers, how when to increase their knowledge, advanced developers, how when to learn modern HTML. We will divide this course into 6 major sections: HTML fundamentals, mastering advanced forms, HTML5 APIs, performance or SEO, real projects. I will explain every concept with practical examples. Along with the theory, we will also build projects so you can actually learn by doing. So you are ready for an amazing coding journey. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and let's get started. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the foundation of web development. In simple words, HTML defines the structure of a website. Every website starts with HTML. Why should you learn HTML? Easy to learn, a strong foundation for web development, high demand in the job market, excellent for all web technologies. First, install VS Code. VS Code is an editor to write a program. Simple, your open browser like Google and search VS Code. Download. First link, click. VS download Visual Studio Code. I am currently use Windows 11 Pro, so I will click on the Windows 11 option. If you are Linux or the web function, then the download it is sending to your system. My downloading starting. I have already downloaded it. I open it anyway. Simple window button click. Search VS Visual Studio Code. Open. When you install it, an interface like this will appear. File button click. Open folder. Documents. New folder create. New folder. Folder name HTML course. You should do the same along with me, and if you want you can rename the folder to something else. Select folder. The folder you created has been opened in VS Code. In this folder we will create a file, also name will be index.html. this icon new folder, and this icon new file. To file icon button click, name index.html. Give the same name that I just give, and it accurately to write .html. .html includes that they will contain HTML code. If you will learn or coding in another language, we want learn its extension friendly, like .py for Python, a index.py. Okay, so this file index.py delete. This no need. TML5 enter. VS Code create auto boilerplate. Now don't get confused seeing all this. I will explain with doctype HTML means and also when the reset of this code means. What is HTML? Already explained. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means text when text basically links with only on click here on a website and move to other web page. That's hyperlink. The internet structures of the internet is based on this. Without hypertext, the web cloud ever exist. And markup language HTML is not a programming language. HTML job is not to create logic. Logic is create JavaScript. HTML only create the structure of a web page. Now I will let you what HTML doc type is. A doc type is a declaration written at the beginning of an HTML document. It means browser that document is write in HTML5 reader it ascending to HTML5 rule. In other words, it tells the browser how to unsettle and display the page. It is always written at the every top of HTML files like this. Without it, the browser may go into quits mode, where some old rules are followed and the layout manage appeared incorrect. For HTML5, the description is fixed and simple doctype short doctype HTML. HTML LANGE. LANG means language English. Header, meta tags, title. Title your web page. First install extension live server. Search live server. But I am already installed. You install now. So I close this window. Right click. Open with live server. Look like this title document. Okay. So open code editor title. So rename title HTML 5. I write free chorus. Chorus. this title change. Old title document, new title HTML5 free chorus. Now a question might come to your mind. What is a live server? The advantage of a live server is that we don't have to refresh the page readability. If we make any change in the code, when we automatically refresh without refreshing the page. I write H1 my web first web page web page. So you can see that when to word in the code is now available on our web page. What is H1 and when to ask brackets, opening tag and closing. When asked to brackets mean. Don't get confused. I will explain into you in the next video. Today we learn what HTML is, what doctype is, we installed VS Code and the live server extension, and we created our owner web page. In the next video, we will learn about HTML elements. If you have any question, be sure to ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we get notification for the next video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.